Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. We are going to get started in 7 minutes. See you in a bit. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everybody. Hello, 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 hello. We will get started in 4 minutes. Okay, so just chill, hang in there. We will get started in 4 minutes. Let's like up the stream. We're doing a great job with that. Let's keep it going. See you in a bit. Good morning to those who have just joined. We are going to start in 2 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes. I will see you guys in a bit. Like up the stream and then you'll be ready and you'll be able to hear everything clear. All right, what up? Hello. Testing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go. TCTM. Face reveal. Yeah, face reveal. Face reveal. I need to get a face cam thing. Webcam, I'm just lazy with that stuff. What up, everybody? Okay, when we get more people in here, probably in like 20 minutes. Okay, in 20 minutes. So the first, for the first 20 minutes, we will go over just normal play, setups, and those things. And then in 20 minutes, I will be going over the Discord. Okay, there is one thing that I'm going to mention now, and I will mention it again when I'm presenting it. Okay, listen. The Discord is going to go up. The prices are going up from tomorrow. So today is the last day to stay at this rate. So if you join today, you are locked in at that price. I will mention it and I will remind you and I will say it over and over again so you know. All right. Yes. Anyways, let's check how the market is cooking. So we have Bitcoin. What's Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin daily is looking great. The Bitcoin daily is cooking on high heat. Prediction is looking great as usual. Looking good. Expecting it to continue to go up. So if you look here, we actually have something pretty cool, which is another, right? I'm going to try and copy this bullish. So as you can see, we had a previous bullish pennant, right? Right here. And now we have another one right here. So nothing significant about this. It's not anything crazy, but it is good because it shows that there is more continuation to come. You know, so let's see what this does bring to the market. Bitcoin does push the market for sure, but usually what happens is everyone just goes and trades their meme coins and stuff. However, I still do like this. Bitcoin's looking nice. I'm going to actually just leave it like this. It looks better. Clean chart looks better. Bitcoin X, Bitcoin. So this prediction is looking great. Looking good. Looking good. I'll go over all the pricing details on that. I'll go over the details on that in like 15 minutes. All right, don't worry. I'll get to it. I'm just going to go through all this stuff because then I can have to repeat myself like 50 times. All right, so just bear with me. Just bear with me. If you want to know the current price, you can click on the link underneath and it's there. Join private Discord, or just actually here, do this. This is the current price. You can click on it here and you can look. There you go. That is the current price. So if you click on that, you'll know the current price. But I will be going over the pricing and all that stuff. The main thing is because I get a lot of people asking questions over and over again. I actually just found out on WAP that I had over probably 90 requests since we opened the WAP. I didn't even know there was a request page, but everyone asking how much, how to join, and so on. I responded to all those people, but I know people are in here who want to join, or if they don't care, that's fine. But it's the best I can do is explain on here because that's where I'll get most of you viewers on here, and it'll be easy for me to explain rather than just writing and posting it every 20 minutes and it gets lost. All right. Okay, let's see. NLSP, what's happening here? NLSP, I would not touch this. Okay, you have a couple options on this. I personally would wait for it to break above here, 324. You need a candle body to close above $3.24. This is my candle body like this. This is yellow. You see this? This is a candle body. That's a candle body. That's a candle body. These long things are called wicks. Okay, that shows the high and low of a candle based on the 5 minute, on the 10 minute, whatever time frame you want. So on the 5 minute, this is what we have. If we have a 5 minute candle close above at 324, there is a high probability now that the next candle after this close will go up. Right? So you're waiting for 324 candle body to close above. What's going to happen is you have this can be valid, or even this. The more majority of the body, the better. So more of the body, the better. You don't want something like that, right? Where it's just closed above. You want something a little bit more, at least that. you know, and so on, just to make that clear for everybody to understand. All right. Guys, get some questions and tickers in. About the Discord, I will be going over it in 15 minutes. SGN, very nice, perfect bullish pennant that I posted in the Discord. I also gave it to you guys on Twitter. If you got in, you got in. If not, it's okay. You can learn from this setup, and this is called a bullish pennant. It means you expect price to continue to go up. This is a continuation pattern. So if the price is going from a bullish trend, it will continue to go up and break out. But if we were in the inverse and we had a downtrend like this and we were coming like that, we expect it to go down. All right, so always look left, look at the flagpole or whatever you want to call this, the trend here. You can see that this is bullish to go to the upside, and it did exactly that. Discord members, I'm going to post this under the setup examples under bullish pennant. You can see that, so you can get a gist of what to look for that. All right, so these are your key levels coming up. 525. These are your next key levels on SGN. Very good. Very nice breakout on this. I like this play. I'm definitely going to watch it today. We will see. As you guys know, I do not trade from pre-market open until the clocks change back. I don't know, I think March they do, or whenever they do. Then I'll be live trading and trading for an hour after open as usual. But unfortunately, due to time difference, I have to be gone because I have other commitments. Anyways, TDTH, huge sell-off on this. Now it's 68% up still, but at the moment, nothing exciting going on. Maybe if it pulls back to this level and holds this, I would say the zone here, demand zone, we can call, well, this is a demand zone, but this area here would be maybe good for entries if it can hold this level. But at the moment, I definitely would not touch this at all. Why are you going to touch something that's in a downtrend? It's below VWAP. There's no sign of reversal. I don't know what's going on with this. So I personally would just ignore this for now. Okay, you can either wait for it to get into demand zone over here somewhere for an entry, or you can wait for a candle body to close above VWAP. All right, you have two options. Either enter inside here or above the downtrend. That's it. Nothing else. All right. KITT, very disappointing on this one, to be honest with you. Very disappointing on this one. Very nice, Fig, well done. Yo, Dylan, I don't know if you noticed, I think you shot on Weeble. It's a lot smoother. I didn't update, but it seems very smooth. I don't know. Maybe I'm tweaking, but yeah. Kit is looking all right. We can use this whole zone here if we want for like demand zone. Last red candle for the move up. I've just used this kind of zone here, like that. So we have this demand zone. Okay, for those who don't know, please listen. This is very important. This is great education, and you can understand something very, very quickly. What is a demand zone? A demand zone is where buyers step in and there is a probability to go up. Okay, now with another confluence, meaning that you're adding something to your strategy, adding something that will give you more confluence that the strategy will, or the setup will go up in your favor or down, whatever you're trying to do. So when you're in a demand zone, the stock usually goes up. Number one. Now you can have a second confluence, is a falling wedge. What is a falling wedge? A falling wedge is a bullish reversal pattern, meaning price should continue to go up, right? Or not continue, it should start to reverse and go up. So we have a falling wedge right here, which I've just explained. This can go up because it reverses to go up. With a demand zone where it should go up, you have two confluences indicating that price should go up, right? You have two confluences. That's very good. For me, I like to look for at least two confluences. If you can get more than two confluences, fantastic. Whatever that may be, it's up to you. Once you start learning more about trading and understanding that, which I go into full depth in Discord about what else I look for in my confluences, right? But overall, the more confluences you have, the better. It means more confirmation you have, the better, right? That's it. Simple as that. Kit, falling wedge, plus demand zone. And please understand, this is not 100% that it's going to break out. I would say there's at least 70-80% chance that this will break to the upside. If it doesn't, all you do is very simply cut your loss at whatever stop loss you want to use. I recommend 5%. Right, CIFR looks great. I like this play. It looks nice. Looks very, very good. I think that this one will reverse today, and I think that it should continue to run up because we have a lot of resistance here, a lot of rejection. I would say it's good for entries now. You close way above VWAP. That's very good. I would say even if it breaks above 550, so 559 break, I would definitely look for an entry on this. So if it breaks that high. So this looks very, very good. I really like this play. All right. CYCN, what's happening here? Bit of a tricky one here on this, to be honest with you. Is it by VWAP? Oh, it's closed above VWAP. So yeah, now what I would do is Discord members use the candlestick strategy. If not, you guys can just wait for the high at 335. All right, 335 high break is your entry point. All right, does that make it clear? 335 break. So 335 break equals entries. What is this? CYCN. 335 break equals entries. Got it? So wait for 335. HUBC, volume's coming in on this. It does has a wick fill. That just means that there's a high probability to come and fill this wick. Due to its huge rejection with volume, it should start to hopefully push and break that to the upside. TCTM looks great. I like this setup a lot. I expect it to break out and I expect it to go up. Bit of a weird bullish pennant, but I'm just going to draw something like this. Yes, technically it's not correct. You should get more touches here. You could draw something like this, but I'm just going to do this for the sake of what I'm trying to show you guys is that this is a possible bullish pennant to go to the upside. All right, this looks great. Guys, let's like up the stream. I'm going over the Discord in exactly 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes. I will be going over everything in the Discord. Okay, everybody's questions in the Discord will be answered. Don't worry. Please do me a favor now, everybody who is here. Okay, I understand some of you are don't care about Discord. That's perfectly fine. That's completely up to you. But if you want to know about the Discord, ask what question you have about it. Please go ahead. Anything you have to ask about the Discord, ask that you're not sure, that you don't know what's in it, If anything, I'm going to go over it probably, but if you have any additional questions or something, just ask them now and I will get over to them once I'm done. All right? Does that make it clear? Okay, let's see. Good morning. Good morning. Cleo, this one got dumped from what I saw as a backup. Oh, it actually reversed. Wowza. Congrats to Cleo. 0.2 is your major resistance here. You see this? Resistance here to here. I would wait for 0.2 on this. But yeah, you could watch this one today for sure. Cleo. Yeah, so 0.2 break is what you're looking for in this. Cleo, wait for 0.2 break to enter. So everybody, if you don't know what this means, when I say wait for the break to close above, it simply means this, okay? And I will say it again and again and again until people understand. The candle body needs to close above like this, right? This is my wick, this is my candle. Here's my candle body. If the candle body closes above, that means you can take the entry. If the candle body does not close above and it rejects like it's done here, you do not take the trade. Above 0.2, close above on the 5 minute, whatever time frame you want to choose, then you can take your entry based on that, okay? Cool, got it, nice. I will add this back on my watch list just so I can give it to Discord members. NLSP, how's that doing? There's nothing on NLSP. There is nothing on NLSP. I am not interested on this till it breaks above. So everybody listen. NLSP, there are no entries unless 324 breaks above. Right? That should be clear. There are no entries unless 324 break above. That just means, as I just explained, here's my candle body. Here is my 5 minute time frame. If the candle body closes above, you can take the trade. If my candle body rejects like this, like it has previously, once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, we do not take the trade. Close above, entry, no entry. Entry, no entry. That should be very clear now. A candle body must close above. If you are going to enter because you think it's going to close like this and there's still 2 seconds remaining and it drops in 2 seconds, you have not followed the instructions. You need to wait for it to close above. All right? Clear. That should be very, very clear. Very, very clear. Are you not closing Discord? I will be going over the Discord in 5 minutes. CIFR closed 5 minute above VWAP. Yes, it did. But I said I would look for a break above this to take it. There's like a triple top here based on the 5 minutes. It's not really proper triple top, but if it breaks this 558 entry or above 558, I would look for an entry on that. RGTI, what's happening with RGTI? RGTI, still the same thing. Please save this chart. I don't want to keep posting the same chart every 6 years, right? Look, this is it. Save this, screenshot it right now. It's going to be on Twitter. You can save it right now. There is no entries unless it closes above 1478. There are no entries unless 1478. This is the reason why. Please understand this. It's very basic, okay? The stock is not trending up, it is trending down. Look, this is a downtrend, right? Now, why are you going to buy stock that is trending down and at a resistance? We know if a candle body closes above, if we look left, where's the next resistance? Oh, all the way up here. So if we're going to enter now, we have a 50-50 chance of it going up or down. We don't know, we're going to gamble, right? But as smart, educated traders, what we do is if we get a candle body close above, now we have a 60, 70, 80, 90% chance. Once it's closed above, we have a probability of going to the upside. That is how you trade. That is basics. And that is very simple stuff to understand. HKPD volume picking up. Have another look at this. Not too sure what you see on this. For me, nothing. Downtrend still bearish. HKPD, yeah, nothing on this. I don't know. Absolutely nothing. Nothing on this yet. BBAI is right here. BBAI, I like this chart. It's in a bullish pennant. It looks good. It looks good. It looks good. I like this chart for today for people to watch. I sadly got stopped out on the first trade, but then I took it again and I won on it, which was very, very nice. Hit my second target. This is a bullish pennant. So as I mentioned, why this is a bullish pennant is because if you look on the left-hand side, what is happening? We have trended from the upside. Now we are trending to the upside. Form this pennant to push to the upside. If we were in the inverse of this, where we came from a downtrend and then we were doing something like this, we expect it to come down. So always before you're entering, look for the left side first and then make your decision, draw the pennant and then get your idea from there. You can have a pennant on a 1 hour, 2 second, 5 minute, any time frame. There is a pennant on every single time frame. You just have to look for it. And if there is that setup, then all you have to do is take the trade if it's a bullish one. And you always enter inside of the bullish chart. You never ever enter on the breakout. Why are you going to enter on a breakout if the stock is expected to go up? Acon is another play, right? In my opinion, that's like B-hat. It's getting pumped and all this stuff. Personally, I'm not interested in this. I don't really care about it. So I would ignore something like this, right? I don't really want to give my input on this. Someone has called and said Kit is moving. Let's see. Yep, so Kit is moving. So remember what I mentioned, I think it was here. Yeah, 218. What did that move up to? Not much, like 3%. 4%. Yeah, so if anyone did take around here, well done. Should continue to go up. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. LPTX. Okay, after these chart requests, I will be going over the Discord, all right? Let me have a look at this. LPTX, not interested in something like this, extremely bearish. I will not touch something like this. That is my personal opinion. OKLO. OKLO looks great, filled the gap, should break above this 43.70 and continue to go up. Looks great for long term. TM, another great long-term stock. Yeah, very nice chart. I like this one a lot. Very nice chart. I gave this to people in the Discord. Some Discord member asked me about it and I just showed the chart. It was over here, like $51 and it broke out, which is fantastic. PAK, this one ran last week or this week. Something. PAK doesn't have much volume. Difficult to trade something like this. If you were to take a trade, maybe a break above this high. It's $8, maybe above that. You could wait. All right. Okay, I'm gonna just go over the Discord now. Okay, let me just retweet this link so we can get more people in here, and so I can go over this so everybody can understand. Right, let me just get this in. I'm gonna repost this link as well. Just bear with me, guys. Everybody join up. All right, give me a second and then we will get started on this. So what I'm going to be doing is going over the Discord. I'm going to be showing you what is in the Discord, what you can expect in the Discord, all those fun things that everybody wants to know. All right. Cool. Okay, we'll wait a few more minutes. I'll go over a couple more charts here and then we'll get started. Load, LODE. Nothing on this yet, but that's my prediction. As long as it holds 0.4, it should continue to bounce and go to the upside as well. If I have, I have $20,000 in my Webull account. If I join your Discord and follow trades, what percentage profit should I expect weekly or monthly if I risk $100 per trade? So the way I say to members, there's a risk management plan in there, right? But I'll be realistic with you. It takes time. It depends. I give the alerts. There's alerts there. They're all great and well. The thing is, if you are there 24/7, pretty much looking at the charts and able to get in every single alert at the same perfect time, then that's fine. Then I don't think it's achievable to get in every single trade because you might be busy and all these kind of things. But if you are able to just stay at the chart and stay on the floor that we give the alerts, then yes, you can probably get in the trades and you can make a lot of money. However, if you are not able to get in every trade, because sometimes you might get in all the losing ones for some reason, or you might get in the winning ones or whatever, there'll be vice versa. So it is very difficult to tell you exactly, but I'll be realistic with you that your account a day, that's it. It takes time. It's not going to happen as soon as you join. It might take a few weeks, a few months. I don't know how long it will take, okay, because every trade is different. Every person has different emotions, the way they deal with psychology, all those things, how well you're going to actually journal. 99% of people who join the Discord just want the alerts, and that's fine, but they don't journal. They don't know why. They're not actually learning. They just want to take the trades. And for me, I like to teach people. That is my goal. It's to teach people how to get basically my skill to become financially free. That is what I want to achieve. I don't want to be sitting behind my screen giving you alerts every time to buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. That's just a lazy way to trade. But I understand if people want to take that kind of approach, that's fine. We give that option. But if you actually want to learn how to trade, the Discord is for you. It takes time. You will learn the strategies. Every single strategy that I trade and take is given to you. The reasoning is there. All that stuff is in there. Okay. So I am going to go over the Discord now, okay? So everybody, I am going to go over the Discord. Give me 1 minute. I'm going to go get my water and I will be back in 1 minute. That stuff is in there, okay? So I am going to go over the Discord now, okay? So everybody, I am going... Before I start, someone's just said audio going in and out. Is the audio working? Yes or no? What is going on with this? Because this is extremely important. Okay, if I'm assuming if you're having issues, right? What you need to do is either log out of the old school way, log out and all that stuff. Use your laptop instead of your phone. Maybe your phone's not working, maybe laptop. I don't know. I'm not a technician, unfortunately. But for those who are on it and it's working fine, or using your laptop or using your phone, just want to make sure before we get started. All right, I will see you guys in 1 minute. All right, let's get started. I will get to everybody. I will get to everybody in a minute. I'm just going to go over, for those who just joined, I'm going to go over YouTube. Over Discord. Okay, so here we go. We are are here. So this is, I'll actually show you from here first. Let's show you here. We have this. Give me 1 second. It is over here. Where is it? Start here. Cool. Give me 1 second, guys. Let me just get this sorted out. 1 second. Okay, cool. We are sorted. Okay. So this is what is in the Discord. All right. What I'm going to be showing you first is, okay, I will be going over the changes in a minute, but this is what you can expect. Okay. So once you join the Discord, okay, this is what will happen. You will go onto the WAP link like this. Okay. Once you go onto the WAP link, you will then have access to this. Okay. You then have the choice of a 1 month or a 3 month tier. Okay. On the phone, I don't think you can see the 3 month tier. You can just scroll. You can see it if you want to do it. Okay. It just works out cheaper. Right. I think it's what, 7.21, what's 8.16.24, yeah, like 70 something dollars, right, for 3 month, and then 9 month is $90. That's it, right? Just bear in mind the prices are going up starting tomorrow. It is going to change. The 1 month is going up to $100 and the 3 month is going up to $260. Okay. Also, one important thing, there are going to be 20 spots each tier for every single month. Okay, so when the 20 spots are gone, they will be gone. You will not have access to the Discord. So it will go quick. Whatever happens, it is what it is. You can wait for the next month. All right. The reason why we are doing this is because we are focusing on current members. We are focusing a lot on education on how to teach everyone. We cannot teach thousands of people. We love to do that, but we need to keep everything under control. Our Discord is very well managed and very easy to use. However, one thing that you need to note is that we keep this limited because we are here to focus on members and teach you how to trade properly. We're not a spamming Discord. The Discord is very organized. Everyone's very respectful. There are people who have just joined. There are people who have years of experience, right? Everyone is there to learn. I learn from new members and so on and so on. So these are the two tiers you currently have, $90 and 3 month tier. Okay. The next thing we have here is, this is when you join the WAP. It is a portal. You are signed in on here and then you click on your Discord link like this. You click here and once you click on this, you will have access. You then click claim access and you will have access to the Discord. All right. Then what happens is when you join the Discord, the most important thing, okay, the most important thing is you go and watch the intro video. So you will get a DM from myself and I will tell you welcome. Make sure you go onto the WAP portal and watch your intro video. This is it right here. This is the intro video. It shows you how the Discord works. It goes through every single channel that is in the Discord, which I'll show you in a minute. And you will be able to understand and see and listen and basically know what to look for when you're looking for the alerts, where to go for charts, questions and so on, what to use, which channels and so on. All right. Then the most important thing about trading, I'm not going to go over this too much, but you have episode 1, psychology and journaling, which is here, right? This is the most important seminar you'll ever learn in your whole career of trading. Trust me. Okay. Then you have support and resistance. Then you have the first strategy, which is the falling wedge. You then have a strategy on candlesticks. You then have the candlesticks strategy that I go over every single day in the live trading. And then also the pre-market seminar will be up in the next week or two. All right. And then here, live trading sessions are just the live trading sessions I do on in the Discord, live trading, which are recorded afterwards so that people can go and watch it from yesterday's, last week's, whatever they want to do. It is there for them to watch. All right. So once you basically claimed your Discord access, you click here and then you are in the Discord like this. All right. So once you are in the Discord, you will be faced with this. Okay. We show you very clearly on what you need to do. Please understand this. I know how Discords work. I know how people are. I know how things work. People just want the alerts and they just want to jump in quickly because they think everyone's making $1 million a day. Hold up. No, stop. We give you instructions to read and follow before you start trading because it's important. I understand you want to make money. I understand you want to get the alerts and all this stuff. That's fine. You have a month here. Don't rush it. It's okay. Relax. Follow the instructions first. Once you've watched that stuff, then you can go ahead and ask us any questions you want. There is no issue at all. Okay? So, with that being said, we tell you to start here. You go and watch the intro video. Once you've watched the intro video, then you can go onto the trading journal, any questions, so on and so forth. Okay? Now, how this Discord works, it's very simple. We have a pro traders floor. The pro traders floor is only where myself and Hassi give alerts. We give the alerts here. We give you the stop loss. We give you the entry. We give you all of that stuff that everybody wants. But if you want to know how to trade and why we trade and why we get in these stocks and all those kind of things, then you can learn the strategy which is on the seminar, which I refer to every single day on the live trading. Okay, so for example, it looks like this. In BBAI, $4 to 407, here's your first target, here's your stop loss, and so on. Once you join the Discord, you will know where to put your stop loss and where to put your target. These are just a guideline, okay? You will know what percent your target is, what you're aiming for, what your stop loss is, and so on. This will all be very clear once you join the Discord because you've watched all the videos to understand how to take the alerts, okay? So we've given you the entry, here's the target, here's the stop loss, and so on. How to scale out, all those things, it's in the Discord, it's under your risk management plan. It is there for you. Okay, I'm not going to show the risk management plan because those for members who are part of the Discord. All right. So we show you everything. Sometimes we show you the charts. I tell members here, BNZI use the candlestick strategy on this. And then I tell them it's voided. So that means don't enter the trade because it hasn't followed through on the strategy that we're looking for. So we do not take the trade and so on. So this is where everything is. Hassi's is exactly the same. In NWE, first target stop loss, so on and so forth. All right. The trading floor is where everybody talks. This is where all the members chat and all this stuff. We only can share charts to the advanced traders and the admin. Dylan is one of them. Shout out to Dylan. And we have a couple others, but the main focus is on this floor. We do not spam. You are on a 1 minute timer. You cannot spam tickers. You are banned if you do that. You will be on mute. Okay, we are not a spamming Discord. We are here to teach. So if someone's just going to randomly put a random ticker, say TNXP, that does not mean buy, because we understand that there are people from all kinds of trades, all kinds of levels, and they want to also learn. But when they see something like TNXP, they might just buy and they think that's a buy signal. No, that is not how you trade. Okay, we tell you if we trade and we enter anything, it is mentioned on the pro traders floor. That is it. Here, myself, Hassi, and Dylan have the priorities, and we are able to give you charts and show you, okay, maybe this is a possible entry here, here, here. But if we enter anything, and the high probability setups are all given on the pro traders floor with stop loss, entry, targets. We just chat amongst each other, say which setups are possibly coming from other members, and so forth. All right. Then we also have a general floor where anyone just chats about general stuff. We then have a chart request where any members who ask about chart requests, they are here as well. We have a daily watch list, pre-market rules, pre-market setups, and so forth. We then have a market hub here where you have a risk management plan, any questions, market updates, and so forth. Then we have my section here where we have Tiger's alerts, right? Where you can see all my alerts every single day. I post them, which are posted here. All right. And then we also have the swing trades, which are given here, giving you the reasonings, all that kind of stuff. You can see the daily recaps all over here, right? Wins, losses. I'm a normal trader. It's normal. We're not 100% traders like your favorite Furu. You see everything. We have the weekly recaps. You can see everything is right here. Loads of it. It's 4,000, over 4,000, 8,000 reviews. Sorry, recaps on this. You can see every single trade. We do trade breakdowns here, which I go over how to use my trades and so on. We have Hassi section. We then also have an area where you have setup examples so members can understand what a demand zone looks like here, what a bullish pennant is. So we share all the bullish pennant setup so they can get familiar with that. What an ascending triangle looks like, they can get familiar with that, and so forth, right? So there's a lot of information here. I'm not going to go over everything, but this is it. And this is how the Discord works. It's very clear. It's very well organized. If this is what you want to do and you want to become financially free and you want to join a community where everyone is respectful and wants to make money and wants to learn and all become successful traders, right? This is definitely the place for you. I've been in other Discords. I'm not saying ours is the best. Obviously, we're not the best. There's things we can improve on and so forth. But in my opinion, as a trader, this is exactly the kind of platform that I would have, loved to have when I was learning to trade, because it's realistic. You see my wins, you see my losses, you see Hassie's wins, you see our losses. We teach you why we get in, and you can see why we get in. The reasonings are there. It's because we teach you on the seminars. You can watch it, learn it, all those fun stuff. Okay, so if you want to join, right, it's completely up to you. It's optional. If you have joined today, you will be fathered into that price or grandfathered into that price. All right, so all current Discord members who have been there for 2, 3, 4 years, or yesterday, tomorrow, or yesterday to today, right, you guys will be paying that price until you leave. If you want to come back, you'll pay the new rate. That's it. Okay, so the people who are paying right now, you will not go up to the new tier. You are stuck with that price and you are fine. All right, so if you join today, the prices are right here. All right, it should be clear. You have a $90 option or you have a $230 option. The $90 is for 1 month. Please understand this. If you want to join today and you cancel today, you will have the full access until your month is over. It doesn't start on the 1st of the month, on the 2nd of the month. Whatever day you join, you have a month from that date. Okay? So if you join today, you do not have 1 day left. You have until your month is over. So you join today, you cancel today, you will have the full month. It will only cancel and it will always renew unless you cancel. Okay? That should be clear. Now, we have a 1 month and 3 month. It is going up to $100 for 1 month and $260 for 3 months. Okay, I'm going to just go on mute for a second and wait a little bit. I'll wait till a couple minutes. If you have any questions or anything that I haven't gone over or something you need to know about the Discord or anything, feel free to ask. Okay, one thing I will mention before I do head out is that the Discord, myself and Hassie are the only ones that run it. Okay, we are there pretty much 24/7. I live in Dubai. I'm 9-10 hours ahead of Chicago time or CST time, right? So when you guys are going to bed, I'm waking up and starting my day. I'm here from pre-market until market open for 3 hours, till like 7, 8, 9, till lunchtime US time. So I'm here from pre-market to lunchtime US time. I do pre-market setups and I give intraday setups. Hassie is then on from market open till after hours. So we are there the whole market, the whole time we are there. Answering your questions, all that kind of stuff, everything is there. We are very responsive. We are answering any of your questions. We are just focused on teaching you how to properly trade and become a realistic trader and not become a 100% trader, because you cannot become that, unfortunately. All right. So any questions? I will be here for a couple more minutes. If you don't have any questions, I'm going to end the stream and I will see you guys on Monday. All right. So answer the questions now. Anything stock related or Discord related, let me know and I will get to you guys. All right. I'm just going to go onto the charts now. And I will be charting for a little bit before we do get started in the Discord. But yes, I will just read your questions now. So Mr. Sher Khan has been spamming VRT for some reason. VRT, there's nothing on this. 124 maybe. Too high priced. NLSP, anything on this? NLSP looks great. Looks great, looks great, looks great. SGN, looking great. If I was to take an entry on this, you can use the downtrend like that. There you go. Like this. Cool. TDTH, cool. Got it. Kit, looking all right. It's just kind of chilling, to be honest. We have CIFR here, CYCN here, HUBC, no, Cleo, nice. TCTM, looking good. I like this. Load, chilling. TCTM still good into open. I mean, I wouldn't hold a stock into open personally, but I would just wait until open to enter the stock. Just difficult to enter now because you can have the right bias, and then there could be obviously the volatility at open. It drops down 30% and then runs back up, and then yeah, it's a little bit difficult to trade something like that. ORKT, people keep spamming me this one. There's nothing on ORKT unless 175. 175 break, then you can look for your entry on ORKT. Do you have any slots? Yes, we have slots open. The slots are open. There's no limited spots right now. So it's going to be open until the end of day, and then the tier will go up. All right. So this is it. Veronica, good question. Why are you in Acon? The Discord has not spoken about it. We've told you it's a pump and dump. I'm just curious to know, why are you in that? What was your reasoning for entering? I just want to know why you got in. Just want to understand. But yes, there are Discord spots open now. They are open. You can click on the link. Once you click on the link, you claim Discord access through the portal, and then you will have access. Okay. Bear in mind, I will not trading today. Okay. But if you want to join today, you join today. I will be back on Monday as normal. Monday to Thursday, there are full trading days. All right, guys, I am going to head into the Discord. All right. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me, DM me, whatever you need to do. Okay. I will see you guys in a bit. All new members, I will be DMing you now on Discord. All right. Please just bear with me. We got a few members that have joined. All right. Yes, Veronica, please delete Twitter. Remove it and ignore it, because you're going to be following all the spammers and all the trash. Trust me. Look at BHAT, all that stuff. I don't recommend doing it. Trust me. You want to learn how to properly trade. Learn how to properly trade. Do you give verbal buy signals in Discord chat? Like, are you? Yes, I do live trading like this. So I'm doing this right now, and then I post on the Pro Traders floor and I say I am in a stock, but also I tell you I'm in when I'm doing live trading as well. So if you're not in live trading and you're not able to join it because of work or whatever reasoning, it is still posted on the Pro Traders floor exactly the same time. Dylan, yes, she is. So, yes, I do. Live trading is exactly the same like this. It's exactly the same thing. Exactly the same thing as this. All right. You see this? I'm just telling you what we're looking for. So, for instance, I'll be like, okay, guys, we're looking for this level here to break, to look for entries. This is our entry range. Get in this, that. All right. So that is how live trading works. All right. Have a great weekend, guys. I've got to run. I hope you have a fantastic evening, afternoon. I will put out a link for the Discord before I head out. Okay. I hope you have a fantastic evening, afternoon. I will see you all on Monday. Peace out, guys.